I'm surprised that it's not actually making mainstream news, being that it's something that's happening all over the country. USGS reports sonic boom heard felt across Midlands, not result of earthquake. Now, this is actually being reported that these loud booms are being heard all over the country and sometimes all over the world. I've heard reports going as far as Italy. But check out this report that the newscasters were verifying it in South Carolina.
We heard in the studio, Vaughn, you've been checking for earthquake.
Yeah, nothing. I didn't see anything on the USGS site. I just looked at it and it hasn't updated anything.
And Billy, you've been hearing from people like down in your home area, like in Clarendon County. Yeah.
Right. People in Clarendon County and Sumter say they actually heard it around 4. We heard it right before the 5 o'clock newscast,
Right.
5:30 newscast.
So where is this coming from? What are these loud booms? I could tell you guys what I think, but what do you guys think?